Hello, and welcome to my vegan chocolate cake video. This is my most frequently ordered cake, so it's definitely a treat. Let's get baking. First, grease and line your 8-inch round pan, or dust with cocoa powder like I did with flour in my vanilla cake video, linked down below and on the top right corner. Measure out your water, vanilla extract, vinegar, and vegetable oil. Set aside. Next, mix your dry ingredients. Start with flour, then sift your cocoa powder in. Sprinkle some espresso grounds, salt, and baking soda. Finally, add the sugar. Mix until homogeneous and make a little well in the middle. Pour the wet ingredients into the well and whisk together. Be careful not to overmix, but some lumps are okay. Bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 37 to 40 minutes. Let your cake cool for about 10 minutes, then pop it out of the tin. Decorate this cake however you'd like. I made a Black Forest cake with fresh cherries. And you're done. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, and see you next week.